Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the project and model so you can work efficiently. Open Enterprise Architect, connect to the central repository, and verify your license and permissions. Create a new model package for the initiative and tag it with stakeholder names and viewpoints. Once done, define scope boundaries and the first set of key elements you will need. Make sure to set baseline versioning and enable model security. This prevents accidental edits and gives you a rollback path if needed. You now build architecture artifacts with intention and traceability. Start by selecting the primary viewpoints. Business and application are good defaults, and create corresponding diagrams using UML or ArchIMate. Add elements, define connectors, and annotate with purpose and constraints so others quickly understand decisions. Once elements exist, apply stereotypes, tagged values, and relationships to capture non-functional requirements and ownership. Make sure to link requirements to components. You finish by validating and publishing the architecture so stakeholders can act. Run Enterprise Architect's validation rules, review issues, and correct duplicates or disconnected elements. Once clean, generate reports and diagrams, export to PDF or publish to your documentation portal, and notify stakeholders. If you encounter synchronization problems, check model versioning, element locks, and repository connectivity first. Resolving a stale cache or re-establishing the DB link usually fixes it. Keep a backup baseline before major publishes to recover if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.